Musk described the vessel as the most advanced warship ever created. Such words from him carried significant weight. He claimed it symbolized the convergence of artificial intelligence, advanced energy, and human innovation into an unstoppable force. Within hours, his statement reverberated through military and political realms. Was this merely another aircraft carrier, or something that transcended imagination? For over 100 years, aircraft carriers have represented global power, floating airbases that influence war outcomes and diplomatic relations. However, observers noted this particular ship was not just an advancement in engineering. It was a groundbreaking revolution, a vessel that not only carries aircraft but also commands them, assesses threats, and reacts quicker than any human crew in history. The ship's remarkable predictive capabilities stem from its core. Deep within its structure lies an *I command center*, a sophisticated learning system linked to every radar, sonar, and sensor on board. It continuously analyzes weather, ocean currents, heat signatures, and digital activity in real time. If a torpedo launches, the AI detects it before the crew does. Should a storm shift its course, the ship adjusts its path automatically. Musk once referred to it as a vessel that thinks like a fleet. This statement encapsulates its true power: adaptability. The deck supports the next generation of aircraft, stealth drones, hypersonic interceptors, and reconnaissance units capable of flying autonomously. Each aircraft communicates via a quantum encrypted network creating a dynamic web around the carrier. They can patrol, engage, or refuel in mid-air without waiting for pilot commands. The ship transcends sending planes to engage in combat. It extends itself into the skies. For those stationed aboard, life resembles being part of an intelligent ecosystem rather than traditional sailors. Automation has minimized crew size, but those remaining are specialists: engineers, AI experts, and cyber defense personnel. The corridors radiate with digital panels displaying real-time oceanic and orbital data. Even the medical facilities function autonomously, monitoring health metrics and predicting issues before they develop. This ship safeguards not only its nation but also its own crew. Strategically, this shifts the dynamics completely. When such a vessel enters contested waters, the balance of power alters instantly. Opponents can no longer depend on saturation strategies or surprise attacks. Every conventional naval warfare tactic becomes obsolete. The ship stands as a deterrent not simply by threat but by its presence. The mere sight of it influences negotiations and redraws geopolitical boundaries before any conflict arises. Economically, the development of this carrier has already begun to create ripples across industries. Technologies designed for its systems, energy storage, electromagnetic propulsion, and autonomous robotics, are destined for civilian applications. Future cargo fleets may harness its energy systems, and passenger aircraft could be launched using its magnetic principles. What started as a defense mechanism may pave the way for the next industrial revolution. Yet, amid the celebration exists an undercurrent of unease. An unstoppable ship questions the very principles of warfare. If no weapon can destroy it, what ensures accountability among nations? Musk's excitement over the design reflects his fascination with humankind's dual nature, the capacity to create wonders that can both protect and annihilate. He once stated, "Power only has meaning when it is used responsibly." This highlights the profound question surrounding this ship. Not whether it can be stopped, but whether it ever should be proved that it can't. For adversaries, this development necessitates a complete re-evaluation of strategy. Submarines, hypersonic missiles, and electronic warfare no longer guarantee success. Some experts speculate that warfare will transition into new domains: cyber conflict, orbital sabotage, and artificial intelligence arms races. The unstoppable carrier may never need to engage. Its true weapon lies in the fear of obsolescence imposed on rival navies. As night descends upon Norfolk, the ship's deck lights twinkle like a city skyline. Its colossal framework hums with latent energy, almost pulsating with life. Reporters pack their equipment and the crowd dissipates, yet the cameras remain focused, capturing a moment where humanity may have blurred the boundary between machine and mind. The waves lap gently against the hull, resonating with the significance of a force even the ocean cannot defy. The USS Robert E. Simon stands as both an engineering wonder and a reflection of our aspirations. It embodies the idea that human innovation knows no limits, and even nature's fiercest forces can be challenged with intellect and determination. Yet, its very existence serves as a reminder that every unstoppable creation arises from a critical question: how far should we go? If you're intrigued by the future of technology, defense, and human progress, subscribe for more stories like this one. The oceans now have a new dominator, and its journey is just beginning. Subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. When Elon Musk first hinted that the Navy's latest project wasn't just another ship, but something that would change the balance of power across the oceans, few took it seriously. People assumed it was another prototype, another experiment. But when the footage emerged, a colossal silhouette cutting through the waves with impossible grace, the world understood that this was not theory anymore. It was real. This was the beginning of the unstoppable carrier. At first glance, it looked like an evolution of modern design, sleek, efficient, formidable. But beneath its hull lay something revolutionary. Every inch of it pulsed with technology never before seen on water. Its propulsion was silent, its energy source self-sustaining, and its armor, somehow, impervious. Reports claim it could sail through storms, withstand missile impacts, and remain invisible to radar. It was as if the ocean itself had been forced to obey it. The Navy, now equipped with this kind of vessel, no longer plays by traditional rules. It operates beyond them. The unstoppable carrier doesn't just protect, it projects. It changes the very concept of deterrence. It tells the world that the seas, once wild and unpredictable, now belong to those who can master technology at this scale. For the crew on board, life is unlike anything in maritime history. There is no constant fear of sinking, no waiting for the next threat. Instead, they live with a strange new burden, the knowledge that they command something indestructible. It's both empowering and terrifying. To serve aboard a ship that cannot die is to carry the weight of absolute dominance and absolute responsibility. This vessel doesn't only rule the ocean. Its reach extends into space and cyberspace. It's not just steel and engines, it's data. Artificial intelligence systems weave through every deck, linking satellites above and drones below. It can monitor, coordinate, and even launch countermeasures faster than any human could react. Its network defenses are as strong as its hull, impervious to hacking, immune to interference. It is, quite literally, a floating brain, one that never sleeps. For adversaries, its existence is a nightmare. No traditional weapon can sink it, no strategy can counter it. Nations that once relied on balance must now face imbalance on a scale unseen since the dawn of nuclear power. Some will rush to build their own, others will turn to diplomacy or desperation. The unstoppable carrier doesn't just change naval warfare, it changes the psychology of conflict itself. Yet, beyond strategy and defense, there is something profoundly human about this creation. For centuries, people have built monuments to prove they could conquer fear, fortresses, walls, towers that touched the sky. This ship is that instinct reborn in the modern age. It stands as a symbol of human defiance against limitation. The myth of invincibility, once reserved for gods and legends, now floats across the ocean under an American flag. But this triumph also brings reflection. If something cannot be destroyed, does it also lose its humility? History is filled with examples of invincible dreams that eventually fell: empires, machines, even ideas. The unstoppable carrier feels like both a warning and a promise. It shows what humanity can achieve when ambition and technology unite, but it also forces us to question what happens when nothing can stand in our way. Still, it's not only a weapon. Its advanced systems give it a second life as a force for good. The same technology that shields it from harm allows it to help others. In disasters, it can power entire cities, desalinate seawater for millions, or deliver emergency aid through autonomous drones. It can heal as easily as it can destroy. This duality makes it more than a machine. It's a symbol of what human innovation could be when used with conscience. Culturally, the unstoppable carrier already shapes how people see their military, their nation, even their future. To some, it's a symbol of security and genius. To others, a sign of imbalance and control. Yet no one can deny its influence. In schools and universities, it's becoming a study of innovation; in art and cinema, a vision of awe and dominance. It's more than an object, it's an idea, alive in the collective imagination. And perhaps, in time, its influence will reach beyond the sea. Many believe the technology behind it, its energy core, its autonomous intelligence, its self-repairing systems, will form the blueprint for something greater. Vessels that will not sail oceans but stars. The unstoppable carrier, then, is not just a ship. It's a prototype of the future, the first step toward the machines that might one day carry humanity beyond Earth. As the waves part before its path, one can't help but wonder, have we finally created something that even nature must respect? Or have we built the first shadow of our own overconfidence? The unstoppable carrier doesn't answer that question, it simply moves forward, silently, endlessly, reminding us that the line between progress and power has never been thinner. If you liked this video,